Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to enable color filters in Windows 11, a helpful accessibility feature that can make your screen easier to see and reduce eye strain. Whether you want to adjust colors for better visibility or to assist with color blindness, first right-click on the Start icon at the bottom. From the list that appears, click on Settings. Next, in the Settings window, select Accessibility from the left-hand menu. After that, scroll down and select Color Filters. Once you are on the Color Filters page, turn on the toggle switch to enable color filters. Once enabled, you can scroll down further and choose the filter that best suits your needs from the list of options, such as grayscale, inverted colors, or various colorblind-friendly modes. Adjusting these filters can help make text and images easier to see, depending on your preferences. Finally, after selecting your preferred filter, simply close the Settings window, and your chosen color filter will be applied immediately across Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.